What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStart Product Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sibu Sea Berry Therapy Juice Blend. It's rich in antioxidants, it's a vegan source of omega fats, and it's a refreshing blend of fruits. Now this juice, I'm going to share with you why I do not recommend that you buy this juice in particular, but I will also talk about the health benefits of the Seabuckthorn berry and explain to you what you should do if you want to reap the best benefits and health rewards of this berry. So first things first, I discovered this company years ago. This was probably like a decade ago. And I remember drinking this juice and going, wow, that's different. There's something very healthy, potent, strong, and vibrant that this juice offers. So I just remembered it. It had this sort of like tart, and it still has this sort of like tart, sour, tangy flavor, which is amazing, but also sweet. And what I realized when I got this, I opened it up and I started drinking, and I was like, wow, that's really good. And I thought to myself, it's sweeter than I remember. So I looked at the back and I looked at the ingredients, and it's great. It has omega-3, 6, 7, and 9, a good ratio of each, including, by the way, Seabuckthorn Seabuckthorn berries are the highest source of omega-7 fatty acids in the world. So that's why I got it, because I thought, well, it'd be good to get some omega-7s in my diet and to have beautiful hair, skin, and nails. I'm trying to stay young and sexy, trying to get married and have a wife. So I figured this might add a little sexiness to this whole thing here. So with that being said, I was like, this is sweeter than I remember. I remember being more tangy, more tart, right? So I look at the back and it says 4 grams of sugar. And I'm like, what? And then I look higher and it says servings per container, 32 servings. So 32, 3, 6, 9, 12, 120 plus 128 grams of serving in each bottle. Now, this is a 32-ounce bottle, so that's a lot of sugar. Like, this is like more sugar than like soda. Like, this is basically like a soda. It's that amount of sugar. So that's the reason I wouldn't recommend buying this particular product from Sibu. Now, let me explain what I would recommend doing. So this company says you do 1 to 4 ounces a day, right? So 1 ounce is 4 grams of sugar. So 1 ounce shot is 4 grams of sugar. If you do a 4 ounce shot, that's 16 grams of sugar. I wouldn't recommend that at all. That's way too much sugar. Liquid sugar is the worst thing you can do for your health. So I don't like that this company has, they market their product as healthy when it's really just full of a lot of sugar. With that being said, the Sibu juice itself, this is their mixed juice. So this has organic Seabuckthorn juice is the first ingredient, organic Seabuckthorn fruit puree, apple juice, grape juice, acerola fruit, which is, cherry, and then sugar as an actual ingredient, and then banana puree, and then natural flavors in pectin and xanthan gum. So I don't really like the natural flavors either, but it's not a huge deal, honestly. Like, even a lot of supplement companies are doing natural flavors now. The artificial flavors are really what you have to look out for. So with that being said, this stuff is healthy, the berry in and of itself, and I will read the berry benefits for you. So it's rich in antioxidants, vitamins. It's a very high in vitamin C, much more than oranges. It contains vitamin A and E. I also got it for the vitamin A because I felt like I needed some eye health support. Vitamin E is really good for skin health, fights oxidative stress. It's loaded with carotenoids, polyphenols, omega fatty acids, like I said, omega-3, 6, 7, and 9. I love that range. And by the way, don't get this one. Don't get the one with sugar. I'll tell you which one to get at the end of this video. It boosts your immune system. It's high in vitamin C, antibacterial, antiviral properties, helping fight colds and infections. Supports heart health, LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol support. Supports healthy blood pressure. Reduces arterial inflammation. So your arteries are what transport blood to and from your heart. It reduces inflammation there. Once again, omega-3, 6, 7, and 9. That's probably the biggest selling point of this product. It enhances liver function by detoxifying the liver, protects against damage from toxins, aids in conditions like fatty liver disease, supports eye health because it has beta-carotene, get this, beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and all the omega fats. Really great for eye health. Maybe not this one, but another product from them I'll share with you. It reduces inflammation and joint pain, helps with arthritis, muscle recovery due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains flavonoids. Omega fats help reduce joint stiffness, balances hormones and supports metabolism. Omega-7 supports hormonal balance and metabolism. Keep that in mind. It's It's beneficial for menopausal symptoms and the endocrine system. So it's really great for hormones. Overall, what I like about Seabuckthorn berry is it is great for your eyes, your skin, your hair, and your nails. And additionally, it is really great for your immune system because of the vitamin C and just all the omega fats for lubricating your joints. Now, this company, and now that I know this, I bought like 6 bottles of this sugary crap. This company actually has a juice that is pure omega-7, or not omega-7, pure Seabuckthorn juice, which is the highest concentration of omega-7 fatty acids in the entire world. So if you're not getting omega-7s in, which by the way, I believe like olive oil, macadamia nuts, and some other things have omega-7s also, but this is like 7 times higher. Like the amount of omega-7s in Seabuckthorn is way higher than any other food. And I do notice, like last night I had a little like 1 ounce shot before I went to sleep, and my sleep quality seemed to be higher last night. I just noticed that when I woke up, and I was like, wow, okay, that's a good thing. So I do recommend Seabuckthorn berry, and I recommend their pure juice. Now this was like $20. So I thought there was like this great sale, but the reason it's like $20 is because, you know, the sugar. Like no one wants the sugar. So get the pure stuff. The pure bottle, which is the same size, is like $50, but you do a shot at a time, so it's like a month-long supply. So to get your omega-7 levels up, to get all those polyphenols, zeaxanthin, lutein, beta-carotene, vitamin A, really good for eye health, vitamin E, polyphenols, all that, skin health, check this out. I'll put the link below. And if you want to get discounts on more than 20 different health and wellness brands that are high quality like this one, that don't have as much sugar like this specific product, I put a link to the Healthy Well Free website below with discount codes, free shipping, and special offers on like something like over 30 different health and wellness brands. More than 20 of them have discount codes, free offers, free shipping, you know, all types of benefits, 10% off, 15% off, some of them even $50 off and more. So check out that link below in the description. Subscribe to Wellstar product reviews below.